Hello guys, welcome to MMT. So directly coming on the point, as you have seen the thumbnail, that how to register for TCS NQT, which is going to be held on 1st May and 13th May. Its last date of registration is 20th April, but I will suggest you that fill it as soon as possible because it has a limited registration. ये कभी भी close हो सकता है, and they don't wait for the last date. So what is TCS NQT? It is a national qualified test, and by giving this test, you will get a scorecard which will be valid for 2 years. And on the basis of this scorecard, many companies will approach towards you, or you can approach towards companies by putting the NQT registration ID number in that. These are some of the companies. Here you can check the companies which are there, which acknowledges TCS NQT. Coming downside, here is the journey to a dream job. That first of all you have to register here, then you have to buy the TCS NQT variant. Means you have to buy this test, then you have to give the test, and then you will get a scorecard which will be valid for 2 years. Here are some of the FAQs. You can clear a lot of doubts from here. I will just show you some of them. Who can apply for TCS NQT qualifier test? Candidates eligible for TCS NQT qualifier test are UG, PG, and diploma students who are in their pre-final and final year of study during the period of 2021 to 2023. And you here, who can apply for this? I have a very good answer. Here, UG, PG, and diploma student in their pre-final and final year, as I have shown before, student with any degree and specialization. Like if you are a BC or MCA, BE BTech can give, but BCA MCA भी हो तो आप दे सकते हो. And any specialization, even you are a civil engineer or production engineer or mechanical engineer, you can give this exam. And one more thing, that here in FAQs, you can see that this time you have two options whether you can give this exam at your home, that is online proctored, or even if you don't have a laptop or desktop, then you can go to the nearby centers which you will choose and then give the exam. So directly coming on the point, how to give this exam means what are the things, how to log in and all this thing. If you are the first time visitor, then you have to create your account first. When you will click on the create account, you will directly go on this page. Here you have to fill the details, your full name, your email ID, you have to create password, and then you have to put a phone number where OTP will be sent. Then you have to validate that number. Then by putting this captcha, you will create your account. You will, after creating account, you will get the login ID and password. So you have to just put here login ID and password. You will get on this page. Then you have to register, click on the register now. Here are the details where you have to put that from where you have been qualified, are your 10th, 12th, and your photo, your birth date, etc, etc. Just it is very simple. When you will complete this registration process, you will get a registration ID number, and then you can buy these things. Here, NQT cognitive skill, it is compulsory for all, like BCA, MCA, and BTech B. And if you are a B and BTech, then you have to give this NQT cognitive skill. It means that this test is all about reasoning, aptitude, verbal, and if BE BTech student have to give these two tests, that is NQT cognitive skill and subject NQT, that is IT programming. And if you are a BCMCA, then you can go for basic computer skills and all that. But BE BTech student of any branch can have to select this NQT cognitive skill and subject NQT. When you will buy this, you will get an option whether you have to give it online at your home, or you have to give it at in the centers. After doing this, you will be properly registered for the exam, and just you have to give the exam. So I will put the link in the description of this TC of this page, and also I will put the Telegram link where I will put all the details, not only TCS but every company is hiring free of cost materials which are means provided, but not all people know about it. I will put everything on that. So just hit the subscribe button, you will get notified and updated. Thank you so much for watching.